Let's build this yellow castle and swing set. To build the yellow castle, let's start with the square yellow base plate. Now we're going to get a yellow tall block and put it right in the middle on the left hand side. Now let's get another tall yellow block and place it on the right side. And now let's get our block which has an arch and place it on top. On top of the archway, let's add this curved yellow block on the left hand side. And then let's get another one and add it on the right hand side. Now let's get the final piece of the castle and place it on top. Well done, you did it! Now to build the swing set, we need the square base plate and this rectangled slab. Place them together. To join the two pieces together, we're going to use this white long rectangled piece and place it right in the middle to join them together. Now we need to add the posts for our swing. Let's add this tall blue block to the left hand side and then another tall blue block to the right hand side. Now we need the blocks which hold the swing. Let's place it on top of our posts and on the other side as well. Now we're ready to get our swing. Let's place it on top so that it fits into the grooves on those blocks. Well done, that's the swing finished. Now let's place the two together. Now let's build a small tree to go with it. Let's start with this curved piece. To build the trunk of the tree, let's use this brown square block and then another brown square block on top. And for the leaves, let's use this bottom curved green block on top of the trunk. Now let's get this lighter coloured green block and place it on the left and another one on the right. And for the top of the tree, let's use this top curved block. Yay, we did it! Now we have our tree and our swing set and our castle. Let's add a bucket and a boy. Let's give the boy a shovel to play with. Here comes a girl in her car. She wants to go on the swing. Let's put her on and give her a little push. Wow, that looks like so much fun. Thanks for building with me today. That's it for this episode. Don't forget to subscribe.